Hi doctor, thanks for checking in. You're watching this video because of your affiliation with a hospital or a medical center that's part of HCA Healthcare. And I have very important and exciting information to share with you. Physicians know that disability income insurance is important, but having true own occupation specialty is a must when choosing the right plan for you. And I get it. You're not looking forward to going through the process or dealing with insurance salespeople, not to mention paying the expensive premiums. Well, this is the right stop for you. You see, because of your affiliation with HCA Healthcare, you have the ability of obtaining individual disability income insurance coverage discounted at 25%. That's 25% you get to keep and still have your desired coverage. Plus, you get to run quotes, have a virtual meeting, or download material that you can review at your own pace. Many doctors purchase disability income insurance through their professional association, or they rely on group disability coverage. But this coverage is not ideal. You need to understand the triggers and provisions of your policy that will come into play if you ever became disabled. Most importantly, these types of coverage are not true own occupation specialty, meaning they do not necessarily cover your particular duties related to your occupation, and can put your income, your lifestyle, and your family's well-being at risk when you need it the most, when you need to put in a claim. This unique program designed for doctors affiliated with HCA Healthcare will help you get the right coverage. True own occupation specialty, individual coverage that will save you thousands of dollars through the course of your career. This online process will save you time and hassle. Are you ready to protect your income? Are you ready to protect your lifestyle with the right coverage and save money? Click on the I Want to Save Money button and we'll get to work for you.